Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to you. You're watching Encounter. We have with us today Abdul Shivanand, also lovingly known as Babaji. Babaji, a very warm welcome to you and thank you for hosting the whole team at your place today.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
You mentioned in the last episode about cosmic energy and also about integrated cosmic medicine. Please share with us what is the new concept about integrated cosmic medicine. Is it a separate concept where medicine is separate and cosmic energy is separate, or does it work together?
As the name is evident, it's an integrative. We integrate the modern medicine with the cosmic medicine. In fact, every country is concerned about the health of their citizens. Even Mauritius, the health is free for every Mauritian citizen. In USA also, the health care is paid through the insurance companies, and many other countries they are doing it. Because the human beings, the people of the country are very important. It's the people which make the country. And I further add to, a healthy people makes a healthy nation, and sick people make sick nation. So nobody would like to have a sick nation, they should have. That is why a lot of work is going on in the healthcare industry and the medical, and so many inventions are happening. But the biggest problem is that in acute diseases, there is a success. But as far as the chronic diseases are concerned, only doctors can provide the symptomatic relief and not the cure. They say cure is impossible, there is no cure. So there was a need to introduce another chapter of medicine, which I introduced as the integrative cosmic medicine. Now, when I was addressing the doctors, I addressed in Rutgers Medical University in New Jersey in USA, and Cincinnati Medical College, and then South Carolina University. So at every gathering of the doctors, I conduct the workshop to educate the doctors and teach them the integrative cosmic medicine. In the management, it has been said that if there is a problem, you analyze your resources. So the problem is a disease. The patient is having a disease. So what are the resources? Now, according to the modern practice, the resource is the pharmaceutical medicine. If medicine is available, the doctor will say the disease is curable. If the medicine is not available, the doctor will say it is not curable. If only on the basis of medicine a doctor has to decide, then why he has done the studies of 12 years? It's a real, tapasya.
It's a long journey.
It's a long journey and a rigorous journey of learning the medical science. So as they have covered that, I said, now I want to complement. I have to put a little addition in it, and we'll reach to a level where we'll say cure is possible. Nothing is impossible. And now I say analyze the resources. One is the medicine. Another very powerful resource is the doctor. And another very powerful resource is the patient. Whereas our every decision is based on the availability of the medicine. Now I take doctor as a resource. Now our understanding is that the human being is a physical entity, but it is a limited understanding. A human being is a vibrational entity, and human being is a cosmic entity, and human being is a light entity. The light we measure through photon, and vibration through energy, electron, you know. Now, it is being studied by the universities in USA, and the reports have come that apart from the physical aspect, every human being is emitting certain vibrations. Like your heart vibrate at X vibrational frequency, your liver vibrate at an X vibrational frequency, your eyes, your brain, every organ of your body, pancreas, they all vibrate at a particular frequency. And if this frequency goes down, the disease in that organ occurs. Now, this vibrational frequency is because of flow of cosmic energy. That means if there is a deficiency of cosmic energy, the disease will set in. And they measured it, that a healthy person, at what frequency a healthy person vibrate. So, they said 67.2 hertz resonance is the vibrational frequency of a healthy person.
67.2
2 hertz resonance. And they measured the frequency of the Shiv Yogis practicing AVS mindfulness, and they found that they are vibrating at a frequency of 80 hertz resonance. So, they marked them as genius. Now, if the vibrational frequency goes down, because in cosmic medicine, integrative cosmic medicine, we say root cause of every disease is psychosomatic. Then somebody said that if root cause is psychosomatic, what about bacterial infection? What about viral infection? So, next, which they have found, that if a person is vibrating less than 60 hertz resonance, then he is prone to bacterial and viral infection. His defense mechanism has gone down. That means his cosmic flow of energy is going down, and this cosmic flow of energy is because of stress. It has been observed that if a person is vibrating at a frequency less than 50 hertz resonance, he is prone to the cancer or has already developed cancer. And a person who is vibrating at a frequency of less than 40 hertz resonance, the doctor will say, you have only 3 months to live or 4 months to live, he is about to die. So, the first and the foremost thing is, which I talk to the doctor, that when a patient comes to you, his vibrational frequency is going to resonate with the vibrational frequency of doctor. If doctor is vibrating at a frequency of genius and patient is vibrating at a lower frequency, he is going to receive, and his vibrational frequency will also rise. So, apart from the medicine which you are giving, as a doctor, I told the doctor that I want to train you to become a living medicine. If the doctor becomes a living medicine and he is vibrating at a frequency of a yogis, then the frequency, the immediate well-being will be there. Another thing is the yogic practices of AVS mindfulness. We raise the photon energy and teach the doctor in the integrative cosmic medicine to project the photon energy from every cell of his body to the cellular system of the patient, where his cells are covered by dark energy. So, this is one area which is there, and our studies and the statistics, they say that average doctor treating a specialized in a particular disease, they suffer from the same disease later on because of resonance of energies, and the patient leaves the etheric debris to the doctor. So, if they follow the integrative cosmic medicine practices, they raise their vibrational frequency, and doctor become a living medicine.
So there have been cases where people are vibrating at lower than 40.
Is about to die.
Is about to die. Doctors say you will die in 3 months. Have you seen many cases of them recovering and living normal lives after?
Yes, that's what I'm saying, raise the vibration. In fact, some of the corporates and the organizations, they were trying to develop the machines where they could raise the vibrational frequency of the organs and this. I said, you are developing a machine. We already have a technology in integrative cosmic medicine where we can raise your vibrational frequency at a very high level without any side effects. So that is the protocol which we are teaching. Then the third thing is the patient. Now every patient has the immune system. Every patient has inbuilt healing capacity. I say that the patients, they have shut down their inner pharmaceutical factory. And by practicing the integrative cosmic medicine, they can activate the inner production of medicine, and that way they can really heal. There are studies which have been done that the patients, the cancer patient one is a normal treatment is been given, and another patient, group of patients, where they were made to do the yogic practices in the healing modalities of integrative cosmic medicine. And they found after a month time, the first group was normal, deteriorating, whereas the other group was not deteriorating, and they found a chemical substance in their blood which was the antidote of cancer. So human being body can produce the medicine. A human being is a medicine, and that is how I demonstrated in USA. They said that the clinical studies are done in India. We want to see it. I said, I will show it to you on an ultrasound machine. So you bring the patient yourself. So they brought a patient of a tumor, a cyst and stone. So what I did was I raised their, because I said the cosmic energy is another medicine. So I went on raising their cosmic energy through integrative cosmic modalities and de-stressing them. And on the ultrasound, they saw the size of the tumor started shrinking. They saw on the ultrasound, the doctors, that the smaller cyst disappearing within half an hour and bigger cyst size reducing, and the gallbladder stone disappearing altogether. So they said, you have done a miracle. I said, no, I have not done a miracle. I am teaching you the science. With your stress and negative energy, without surgery, you could put a stone inside, or a cyst inside, or a tumor inside. And even now, by adopting the non-invasive therapy without surgery, I am eliminating them.
All right.
So the human being is also can activate infinite healing powers are there within human beings. So many human beings, so many people, they come and they say, no, but my disease is incurable. So I ask them, who created that disease? From where did you get? You didn't go to the mall or Amazon and ordered and brought the disease. You created it. When you created it, when you have the power to create an incurable disease, you have the power to dissolve that disease. It's a reversal process. You can do it. So that's what I'm teaching. For the patients, I'm teaching ABS mindfulness protocol, and to the doctors, I'm teaching them the integrative cosmic medicine therapies.
You think we should review, I'm not saying we, you think in general there should be a review of how doctors are trained in terms of how they should give services?
Well, it is a management aspect of it. I'm not expert in management. I'm a scientist, a yogi
Because
scientist.
if you call it integrated, so the doctor might as well cater for the physical aspect of it, but also cater for the cosmic aspect.
And now the interest is catching up. In USA and globally, 19 continent, doctors are integrating and they are practicing integrative cosmic medicine with the modern medicine. And all these doctors, they say one thing: cure is possible, and they are getting great success in that.
So you reckon we'll be able to get over cancer and AIDS one day?
If we start today, we can get over it today itself. The science is now available. Now it is how we start practicing it. I'm teaching.
I would venture to say that every one of us, either we know someone who passed away from cancer or who is suffering from cancer, and I do believe that we are all prone to cancer. Is there any advice you would give to people to avoid this kind of disease?
See, microorganisms are present in us, always it had been. Like tuberculosis was a problem in the past, but tubercle bacilli are still present in you, in me, in everybody. When the defense mechanism goes down, they become violent. The E. coli and amoebiasis, so entamoeba histolytica is present in your intestine. So when we are weak or the toxins level increases in our body, then these pathogens, they become violent. So same is everything. So de-stress. So for AVS mindfulness is for patients, integrative cosmic medicine is for the doctors. So if these three factors we activate, now we were only exercising 33%, that is availability of medicine. Now with integrative cosmic medicine therapies, we are exercising 100%. So cure is bound to be possible.
That's fantastic. That's very positive for the world going forward, Babaji.
Yes. It's catching up now very fast.
Thank you very much for sharing all these kind words, wisdom, and also so many years of research and findings you've done. One last question I want to. How do you gather all this information?
I downloaded it.
So you download. So you're basically studying life and keep on learning and keep on learning.
See, it is an ancient practices of Shiv Yog. Shiv Yog is a pre-religion phenomena. And all the yogis, all the human beings, also yogis, they used to spend hours and hours of meditation. And all that wisdom is there, all the knowledge is there in the cosmic mind. So when you practice, you raise your consciousness, so your individual mind merges with the cosmic mind. And when cosmic mind is your mind, then all the information you have is with you. This is how the Vedas were created.
So how do you see the future of integrated cosmic medicine going forward?
Great. And it is a blessing for the human beings, and now the doctors, the medical science is willingly accepted. The trend has already started, and we are ready now to teach the integrative cosmic medicine and integrative cosmic therapies.
How can I get access to the integrated cosmic medicine?
Very soon it is going to be there, because we have segregated, like for the doctors it is there, and then it's for health professionals, the health worker. They also must be trained into the area of integrative cosmic therapies. The modalities are there. And then apart from that, we have a vision that along with every hospital, there should be a rehabilitation center, because after the surgery, after all that, the patient is left alone, whereas he needs a lot of healing. And if we set up, and I'm going to train now, because in other countries I'm training those health workers, or anybody who wants to enter into the profession of health. So I'm training them so that they can teach the rehabilitation centers, where the patients can go there during convalescent time, and they recover much faster, and there is no relapse after that.
Any kind of disease?
Yes, very soon you will find.
That also includes addiction?
Addiction, we have to work as a different modality which is there, and there we have to work at a particular level of, again it is raising of cosmic energy. So, it is a cosmic medicine which we have given to the patients of addiction, and especially the certain parts of the brain and certain parts of the etheric body. We have found very good results. The relapse which happens, or what is it called, I am not like in the relapse where the body starts demanding it. Now that does not happen. So they come out of their addiction problems.
And you're looking for people to recover and with no relapses?
I am looking forward to let everybody be healthy.
It's a long-term solution, basically.
Yes. So this is prevention is better than cure. 100%. And after that, once something has happened, Rogi se Nirogi, Nirogi se Shiv Yogi. That is the journey.
Fantastic, fantastic. Babaji, thank you very much for your wise words, and thank you again for your time. We have now come to the end of this episode, and again, thank you again for sharing all your knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of this episode of Encounter. Thank you very much for your attention. We'll catch you again very soon.